Is Canva worth it for small business owners? Let me give you my honest review. I began not knowing about Canva when I began my set of small business endeavors. I began designing my own templates, posters, and any related social media content without the use of Canva. And until I started to embrace and immerse myself into the design space of Canva, did I realize that this tool is powerful, very powerful. In fact, it is because of Canva that I have spent much time perfecting and bettering my YouTube content. Without Canva, I wouldn't have made it this far. Now, large companies that employ graphic designers and other personnel to appeal to the audience that they are trying to reach with very captivating audiences, they themselves employ tools to help them better their craft. They don't rely solely on their university or college qualifications to do so. And because the social media landscape is constantly evolving, so too must your skills as a content creator. So because of those highlighted reasons, Canva is a must for not only small business owners but also larger companies as well. Canva has a very useful AI feature which I have promoted in a video before, and I hope that you'll get the chance to watch it too. And they are making rapid steps to include not only AI but also picturesque elements too. So you not only can talk to the AI, you can upload things for it to manipulate for you to your heart's content. Canva has made it very easy to create content for not only Instagram, YouTube, but also TikTok, LinkedIn, Fiverr, and other spaces as well. It's not limited to just the business space, but you can make it applicable to your personal space as well. And I really like that about the company and its products. Do you have any reservations about Canva? Not at this time, because it has made content creation so much easier. You can save your templates, you can search for stuff within the application, and you can search outside of the application too and import elements that you think will make your content more personable, more attractive, and overall more appealing to the audience that you are targeting. So I give Canva a 10 out of 10 for small businesses. What are your thoughts about the application? Would you use it in your day-to-day activities? Let me know in the comments. Now, small business owners, this is not going to get you to the place where you're going to have the success of a large corporation overnight. This is something that you have to invest time and consistency into. So if you are already using tools that you have gotten fond of, keep on using them and gradually incorporate this tool into your toolbox or basket of tools. I can definitely tell you that it wasn't an overnight thing for me. It took weeks of consistent work and dedication and a keen interest to learn. Because of that consistency, I am able to flexibly use the tool to my advantage right now, and I believe that you too can experience what I have been experiencing. So Add it to your list of tools that can make processes more simpler and easier for you to handle. And let me know how it was for you as you start to see the results over time.